That knob of ginger sitting in your fridge right now can turn into an endless supply. No garden center trip, no special seed, just what is already in your kitchen. Here is the short version. You want a plump piece of ginger with little bumps on it. Those are called eyes, and they are what sprout. Skip anything shriveled, soft, or moldy, it will not grow. Organic is best because most grocery store ginger is treated with a growth inhibitor, so it will not sprout on the shelf. You need 4 things: a fresh ginger rhizome with visible eyes, a wide, shallow pot at least 10 to 12 inches across, a well-draining potting mix, and a spray bottle for misting. If you cannot find organic ginger, do not worry. Soak the regular grocery store ginger in a bowl of water for 24 hours first. That rinses off most of the growth inhibitor and gives it a real shot at sprouting. Do not plant it yet. Set it out on the counter for 1 to 2 weeks somewhere warm and a little humid, like on top of the fridge or near a sunny window. You are watching for those eyes to swell up and turn green or pink. That color change is your sign the piece is alive. Once you have 2 or 3 eyes swelling, snap the rhizome into pieces about 1 to 2 inches long, making sure every piece has at least 1 good eye on it. This is the part people get wrong. Ginger grows sideways, not down. So lay the piece's eyes up just under the surface, only 1 to 2 inches deep, in that wide, shallow pot. Deep and narrow is the wrong shape for this plant. Ginger wants it warm, 70 to 80 degrees, and consistently moist soil. Not soggy, not bone dry. Mist the surface if your house is dry, and let the top inch dry out slightly between waterings. In a warm spot, expect a green shoot within 2 to 4 weeks. In a cooler room, it can take a couple of months, and that is normal. Ginger is not in a hurry. A full-size harvest takes 8 to 10 months, but you do not have to wait that long for everything. Once the plant is established, you can snap off a little baby ginger anytime you need it in the kitchen. 4 mistakes sink most people. 1. Planting shriveled or moldy ginger. It is already dead weight. Do not bother. 2. Overwatering soggy soil rots the rhizome faster than anything else. That is the #1 killer. 3. Planting too deep, buried ginger often rots before it ever finds the surface. And 4. Expecting a fast harvest. This is a slow, patient houseplant project, not a quick vegetable bed. 1 piece of grocery store ginger, a pot, and a little patience, and you have got a supply that keeps giving. Subscribe for more gardening how-tos, and the full guide is on our blog.